What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we'll be working with the affiliate products. Okay, so let's just come here, let's just go to the dashboard right here, and you can see that if I want to sell any of the product, okay, and that I do not own here, but I want to just tell them, just send them to their website and then get a commission. So like if Amazon is a company, okay, how Amazon works is that Amazon has the affiliations, okay, and this means that if you just send the customers to Amazon with your link, your specific link, then you are gonna get a sale, or you are gonna get a commission. So here should be, it should be here. Okay, this one, become an affiliate. Okay, you can just go here to affiliate program and turn person advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. So how you can do, you can join, you can advertise it, and then you can earn 10% of the commission from them. Okay, so this is how this Amazon affiliate products work. So let's suppose that I am now joined here. I want to advertise here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to Amazon right here, and let's suppose that I need a hoodie. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to hoodie right here. I'm just gonna search. Okay, and then I basically want to get this one. Okay, I want to promote this one. Let's just come here, and here, this one, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna download this image first. I'm just gonna hit save image as, okay, and then I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit save right now. So you can see this image is right here. I'm just gonna go to dashboard, I'm gonna go to the products, and then I'm gonna go to add new so that I can add an affiliate products. How this affiliation work is that you have to send Amazon customers, okay, and then you will get a share if someone buys the product from your keyword. So you will be getting a reference ID. Okay, you just have to sign up to Amazon, and then you will get that ID. So, and then you have to add that. So let's suppose that this is my reference ID, that REF is equals to SR_1_9. So if someone buys this product from this link, okay, this specific link, okay, then it is gonna download the cookie into the browser. I hope you understand what I am saying. Okay, like if someone buys the product from this link, this specific link where there is a reference link under my ID, okay, then I am gonna get a share. Okay, this is what I mean. So let's just come here, and let's just copy all the link. So let's suppose that this is my link. I'm just gonna go to add new product. I'm gonna copy the Champions Men hoodie. Okay, so this is going to be Champions Men hoodie. Okay, and then here I am going to just select the external affiliate product. Okay, and then I have the product URL. Okay, and then I have the button text. So this is going to be like buy now. Okay, its regular price is 187. Okay, so 180.18.72. Okay, and everything is right here. What I'm gonna do right now, I am just going to go down, and here I want to add the description. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna go down. Okay, so they don't have the description. Let's just copy it. Let's just come here and let's paste it. So this is a table that has been added right now. Okay, I'm just gonna go down, and let's copy all this, paste it. Okay, so this is also coming here. I just want to remove the linking so that no one goes to Amazon. He should stay here into my site. So I'm just gonna click here, remove link, remove link, remove link. Okay, so make sure that you remove all the links because you just want to send them to the customer. Okay, so let's just come here and let's just remove this one, Amazon bestseller link. Okay, here everything is coming. Okay, and now what I have to do, I just need to upload the image. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna upload, I'm gonna drag it and drop it right here. So you can see this image is here. And now I'm gonna hit set product image. So you can see this image right here. I have the short description. I can enter any of the short description. So I don't want to add this. Let's add this one. Now let's come here and let's select it to be like hoodie, and this is the non-zipper hoodie. So I'm just gonna select non-zipper hoodie, and I'm gonna hit publish right now. So you can see this should be published. Now let's have a look at our online shop. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna refresh this. Okay, and here we go. This is how it is looking. So we have Champions Men hoodie. Okay, if someone clicks buy now, then he will be redirected to that Amazon page. Let's just check it. Okay, if someone clicks buy now, you can see it has taken us to the Amazon page, and now here we have to buy the product, and we have our ID in the reference. That means that if someone buy from this link and then he select this one, and he just it add to cart, and then he buys it, then I'm gonna get a share, and that will be 19.99, which will be like $1.9 will be my share that will be added to my account. So this is how it works. And if someone opens up this product, okay, then he will be taken to the product itself. We have the description here, we have everything, and if someone clicks this right now, then he will be taken to the Amazon. So this is how the affiliate products work. Okay, you can move on with affiliate products. If you want to build an online full affiliate store, you can create it. Okay, this is how you can make some money. Okay, so you can create it. You can create your online affiliate store if you want to. So now we're totally done with everything. We now have the basic understanding of all the products, that how can we add any type of products. We have got every data. Okay, so in the next video we will be working up it more. We'll learn how the coupon work. We'll understand the homepage. We'll just design our homepage, and then we will work with the checkout, so that person, how the person is going to check out at our website, and how we're going to ship our product. So stay tuned, guys, and in the next video we'll be working up with that. Goodbye.